beat synced with the club DJs. You moved so slow while the chaos burned, and I just knew the tide had turned. I wasn't searching for more than the night, but with you it just felt right. Between the beats and your simple high, something real began to rise. Through lights and sound, I found your face. In a crowd of strangers, we had our place. You were like the rest, you had that glow, and in one moment my world said go. We slipped outside where the night was still, the bass behind us, hearts to fill. You laughed like stars were in your voice, and for the first time I made a choice. No more pretending, no more disguise, just truth reflected in your eyes. From neon lights to morning skies, this wasn't just a night, this was the why. And I don't care if the night runs out, if this is all we get with LunaVibe sound. One touch, one look, that's all it took. You rewrote me like an open book. Through lights and sound, I found your face. In a crowd of strangers, we had our place. You weren't like the rest, you had that glow, and in one moment my world said go. LunaVibe in the club. Julia, Wojtek and Martin. Let's